and welcome to this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. Here it is Danila Fisicaro ceramic. Art for me is a window to another world where anything can happen. A world between the dream and reality. Danila was born in Syracuse. It's a very renowned town, one of the most important, the most powerful town in the 5th century before Christ. And still nowadays you can enjoy the beautiful archaeological area and archaeological ruins. Above all in Ortigia, that is an area of Syracuse, is an island very close by Syracuse. There is a bridge that joins Syracuse with Ortigia. Danila says, another dream of mine was to live in the countryside. That's how I moved to my town of origin, Cassaro. This is where today I keep creating. She attended artistic studies in her young age. And here we have some of the artworks of Danila Fisicaro. The favorite Sicilian food of Danila Fisicaro is the Parmigiana. I like it very much too, with the aubergines, tomato sauce, eggs, mozzarella, and if you come to Sicily, enjoy the Parmigiana. Here it is Giuseppa Matraxia painting. She was born in 1955 in San Giovanni Gemini, that is in the inland of Sicily, very close by to Agrigento, the town renowned for the Valley of the Temples. It's a very quiet place, San Giovanni Gemini. If you would like to move to Sicily in a quiet place, rich in traditions, San Giovanni Gemini might be a good idea. Giuseppe Matraxia says art has always represented the evolution of our civilization in all its forms. Each artist represents its time and expresses himself through a personal language that springs from feelings, emotions, desires, dream, like vision. The favorite Sicilian food of Giuseppina, she has many favorite Sicilian foods, but one of these is the gelato al pistacchio, ice cream with pistachio. The pistachio of Etna, of course, the pistachio of Sicily, and the very famous pistachio that the one of Etna area, and because of the lava soil, it has a very unique flavor. The pistachio of Etna. Giuseppa Matraxia. Here we have Alessandra Schinocca, ceramic. She's from Catania, the town of Vulcano Etna. And it's a beautiful town, Catania. There is one of the most renowned outdoor fish market, La Pescheria. of the Mediterranean area. It's a city full of lava stone. The lava stone is everywhere because of Etna, this giant volcano, the highest in Europe, and is an active volcano. And there's a very frequently Etna is working. It's not dangerous because Etna is 3,300 meters high, and the closest village inhabited is very far from the top of Etna. So it's a big show, but it's not dangerous. Alessandra Schinoca, she says about art, poetry, the wonder of life, whispering astonishment in the most intimate part of our soul, capable of illuminating where there is darkness. Alessandra creates classic, traditional, modern and contemporary decorations on both terracotta and lava stone. The favorite Sicilian food of Alessandra Schinoca is the cassata. It's a cake, the most famous Sicilian cake, made with ricotta cheese, sponge cake and candied fruit. Alessandra Schinoca. And here it is Pino La Barbera, and his curious art paints with straw trees. Pino is from Castelnuovo di Sicilia, in the western hinterland of the island, the kingdom of rippled valleys and the infamous green mountains of wheat. Castelnuovo di Sicilia. Less than 3,000 inhabitants, a very quiet place. Pino says, art for me is the expression of one's inner self. Many people do not know that they have potential within them and therefore do not manifest their knowledge and their attitudes. It's a pity. Pino creates paintings with straw trees, distinct symbols of the peasant culture of the land that Pino comes from. Sicily, the granary of Rome, lives in the paintings of Pino La Barbera. One of the favorite Sicilian food of Pino La Barbera is umani cameusa, Sicilian for bread with spleen. And there's a Sicilian street food that you can find above all in Palermo area. Umani cameusa. Pino La Barbera. Ok, goodbye everyone, ciao a tutti. Thank you for having me for this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. I am inside the sauna, and I believe that the sauna is an artistic place. It's a place that inspires me. And see you next time for the next episode of Art and Food in Bella Sicilia. Ciao a tutti.